Ultimate Computers. So today we are going to learn how to fix this issue in this printer. It can't close, so as a result it won't be able to print because it can't. So this thing can't close, and as a result, alright, so as you can see, it's not closing. So let me plug in lights. As you can see, it's not closing. So we have to open it to check what is the problem with it. So basically, anytime you face such challenges, the problem is always from the cutter unit. Now, as you can see, the cutter has a place that is written here, jam release. So all what you have to do is just to reset the jam release by rolling this thing back, as I'm doing. So it's gonna go back right inside. Okay, it seems that it's inside. So as you can see now, it can now close because I've shifted back the paper cutter that was holding it. As you can see, let me take it up again. Let me take it out again from the jam release. It's coming out, though it's slow. It's coming out. It's coming out. Alright, if you can see, this is it. This is the cutter. This is what came out. Once it has an error during cutting a paper, this thing will not be able to return back to its base. So if it doesn't return back to its base, the cover cannot close. As you can see, this was what happened. So all what you have to do each time you face with this challenge is just to come down here and roll this thing to go back. It's a two-way motor that is controlling it, which you can still rotate it one way and it will still go out and still come in by the same method you use. So yes, now flush back to its original position. So from there, you can now close and we can now cover this place back. Then we test in power. So as you can see, the light is ready now, which means everything is okay. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.